In this video, you will learn how to fix Cashapp error code 503. Cashapp error code 503 typically indicates a server-side issue. Follow these steps to resolve it. First, check Cashapp's server status. The most common cause of error code 503 is Cashapp experiencing a temporary outage. Check if there's any reports about Cashapp being down or undergoing maintenance. Sometimes errors can resolve on its own after a while. Why? And try again in a few minutes or an hour. Restart the Cashapp app. Close the Cashapp app completely and restart it. This can sometimes resolve the issues temporarily. Then, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is always stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switch to mobile data or vice versa. Test other apps and websites to ensure your internet connection is working fine. If you're on Android, clear the cache. This can also sometimes resolve errors. Go to your app settings, then tap on apps or applications. Tap and find on Cashapp. Tap on storage and click clear cache. After that, update the app. Ensure you have the latest version of Cashapp installed. Go to the Apple App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android and check that it's fully updated. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Cashapp on your new mobile phone. If the error still persists, contact Cashapp support. You can do this by opening Cashapp, going to your profile, tapping on the account button in the bottom left corner, then selecting support and searching for help. Choose to contact support directly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.